Another one for Rob. What is the role and function of the accompanying cloud page and my map citations that are part of the map stack? Um, it's a good question. That the cloud page, I'm not real sure why my vendor provides that. I've never even asked them to be honest with you, but it's a cloud page, so why not use it, right? It's another link building target. So that's and in the maps citations, I get that. I understand why people do that. I'm not convinced that it has a because I haven't done any testing myself with it personally. Honestly, that's I'm not convinced that those map citations really do anything anymore. I know many years ago when we, Semantic Mastery, launched RYS Academy, Rank Your Shit Academy, which is where Google Stacks were invented. My former partner Marco was kind of part of the he had it was him and one kind of a colleague of ours that developed Google Stacks initially, and we launched RYS Academy. Now every SEO in the world knows about Google Stacks, and they all use them. Dozens of vendors on Legit and all those other sites. If you want a good Google Stack, go to David Morgan. But anyway, and he swears that those map citations still work. I remember back in 2015 when we launched the whole kind of RYS Academy and that Google Stack method and all that, Drive Stacks, whatever you want to call them. My maps were just crushing it. We could do amazing things with my maps, but over time it had a waning effect. Guys, remember that's how Google works. Google finds out that SEOs have found a loophole that we manipulate, and they eventually close that loophole or make the signals from that loophole less effective, less prominent, if that makes sense. So that's the nature of SEO. We always find things that we can exploit, and eventually the masses catch on, and so does Google. And in Google, it might not entirely kill it, but it makes the effect of that loophole significantly less. Like it diminishes the effect of that significantly. And so we got to find something else to exploit. And that's the cat and mouse game we play as SEOs. And so I'm not sure about the map citations. Again, I've not done any specific testing myself in several years. So I don't know if there's still a benefit to it, but I have some other SEOs that say absolutely there is. And, some of them I trust. And so, I just send them to you guys because I personally don't use it. Don't do anything with them for my own projects. The citations, the map citations that come with it. But you can. I mean, you can test with you can play with it. You can build links to that sheet, whatever you want. You know what I mean? So just to be clear, like I said, the cloud page is a good kind of additional link building target. The map citations, you can do what you want with those. Personally, I don't really see where there's a whole lot of benefit from that, but I could be wrong. I've just not done any testing with that, to be clear. Everything should be tested, guys. You know what I mean? So anyway,